Very good morning students. Once again, welcome back to our online classes of English language standard 5th. Students, in the previous period we have started new topic, that is pronouns, relative, reflexive and emphasizing. Now students, let's take a recap what we have studied in the previous period. We have studied pronouns, relative pronouns, who, whom, that and which. These are the words. Once again I am repeating: who, whom, that and which. These are the words that known as relative pronouns. Okay. Now students, among these words who, whom, that and which, we are using who and whom for people. These relative pronouns we are using for people. And we are using relative pronoun that and which for animals and things. Animals and things. Now students, I hope this is very much clear to you. Okay? Once again I am repeating words that are who, whom, that, which. All these are the relative pronouns. Relative pronouns. And among these words, who and whom, these words are used for people. That and which, these words are used for animal and things. We have also seen some examples, okay? And I have also given you one assignment to solve. That is the join sentences using the appropriate who, whom, that and which relative pronouns, okay? Now students, I am going to give the answers. 5 sentences we have already done. Now I am giving you the answer of 5 sentences, okay, that you have to note down in your textbook or notebook, okay. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Now students, see the sentence number 6. This is the shopkeeper dash dash sold me this pen. Now shopkeeper is the name of a person. So just give some little space on your mind and try to remind what I have told you. We use who and whom for persons. Shopkeeper is a person, and for person we are using who. This is the shopkeeper who sold me this pen. Okay. The cat dash dash gave birth to the kittens that has disappeared into thin air. Okay. The cat, we can use here which also, or we can use that also. The cat which gave birth to the kittens has disappeared into thin air. So let's move towards the next sentence. Now students, see sentence number 8. This is the ring dash dash the king gave the beautiful Shakuntala. So we are talking about the ring. So animals and things. For animals and things we are using that or which. Okay. So this is the ring that we will use that here. This is the ring that the king gave the beautiful Shakuntala. Okay. Now see the next sentence. She was the nicest person. She was the nicest person dash dash ever lived. Now students, here you have given 2 options. That is who oblique that. So again you have to think about for the person we are using who, and for things and animals we are using that. So we will not use that here, we will use who here. Okay. She was the nicest person who ever lived. Now see the sentence number 10. This is the boy. Now we are talking about a boy. This is the boy dash dash the tiger attacked. Now see the question. Use who, whom, that and which. So we can use here whom also. So in this sentence, this is the boy whom the tiger attacked. Like this, we have completed 10 sentences. Now students, we are going to solve question number B. So let's get started. Now students, see question number B. Join the following pair of sentences with, that and which. Okay. Now students, before we solve this question, you have to keep in mind that when we use which or that, we drop it or them. Means sentence में अगर हम which और that use करते हैं तो sentence में आया हुआ it और them हम क्या करते हैं, drop कर देते हैं. Okay. Now see, just see the first example. Dad has repaired the robot. This is the first sentence. I broke it this morning. So you have to join these two sentences with that or which. Okay. So we are going to use which here. Okay. See the sentence. Dad has repaired the robot which I broke this morning. Okay students, are you getting it? How I have used? Now you can see here in this sentence I have deleted or I have rubbed it from this sentence. Dad has repaired the robot which I broke this morning. Okay, like this is our answer. Now see sentence number. Now students see sentence number 2. Amin is reading a letter. Amin is reading a letter. Full stop. In the second column, he received it from his friend today. Now we have to join this sentence either with that or with which. Okay. So Amin is reading a, students see the answer. Amin is reading a letter. He received it from his friend today. Now we will join this sentence with the help of which. Now see, Amin is reading a letter. Amin is reading a letter which he received from his friend today. Like this. Now see sentence number 3. Where is that clock? I saw it on the wall just last night. So here we have to join the sentence. Where is that clock? Where is that clock which I saw on the wall which I saw on the wall just last night. Now our answer is like this. Where is that clock which I saw on the wall just last night? Okay. Now just see the next sentence. Now students see sentence number 4. Here are the flowers. This is the first sentence. I bought them just now. This is the second sentence. You have to join this both the sentences. Here are the flowers. That I bought just now. You have to delete them from this sentence. So, here are the flowers that I bought just now. I have joined this sentence with that. Okay. So, like this you have to join the sentence. Now see the fifth one. A man was selling clothes. This is the first sentence. He stole them from the shop. This is our another sentence. Again we have to join these two sentences. A man was selling clothes. Which he stole from the shop. Like this. Again you have to delete them from this sentence. A man was selling clothes which he stole from the shop. Okay. Now students, next topic that we are going to study is reflexive pronouns. Now what is the definition of reflexive pronouns that we are going to see just now, but you have to wait for that. You have to wait for some time. Okay. Now students, see the definition of reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are formed when we attach self or selves to the pronouns. Now students, you know very well which are the pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, they, we. All these are the pronouns. And when we are attaching self or selves to the pronouns, they become reflexive. Okay. Now see the examples. I becomes myself. You becomes yourself. You becomes yourselves. Now see the difference. When you are using you as a singular, at that time it becomes yourself. But when you are using you as a plural, at that time it becomes yourselves. Okay? She, herself. He, himself. They, themselves. Then it, itself. We, ourselves. Okay? Ourselves. So like this, these are all the reflexive pronouns. We can form the reflexive pronouns by adding SELF self or SELVS selves. Okay? So I hope you have understood this. Okay? Now let's move forward. Now students, you have to keep in mind two important things when you are using the reflexive pronouns. First is that reflexive pronouns are used as a substitute for a noun. Substitute मतलब पर्याय. Noun के लिए दूसरा एक पर्याय करके हम reflexive pronoun use करते हैं. And second thing that reflexive pronouns point back to the doer of the action. मतलब जो एक्शन करने वाला है उसी को वो क्या करता है, रिफ्लेक्ट करता है. इट पॉइंट्स बैक. रिफ्लेक्ट करना मतलब पॉइंट बैक टू द डूअर ऑफ द एक्शन. ओके. नाउ लिसन केयरफुली. वी नेवर से लाइक दिस, अमित सॉ अमित इन द मिरर. हम कभी ऐसा बोलते हैं क्या, अमित सॉ अमित इन द मिरर? नो, दिस इज रॉन्ग. Instead of that, we say Amit saw himself in the mirror. This is the correct sentence. Okay. Now see the second one. Gina laughed at Gina. Do we say like this? No. This is wrong. Instead of that, we say Gina laughed at herself. Okay, this is the reflexive pronoun here. We never say we dressed we. Can we say like this? No. So this is the wrong sentence. And we dressed ourselves. Ourself is the reflexive pronoun here and this is correct. Okay. So like this you have to use the reflexive pronouns in the sentences. Okay. Now students, I hope that you have understood each and everything that I explained in this lesson. Okay. So I would like to stop here, but just giving you, but students, I just want to give you your assignment, that is question number C. You have to solve question number C, that is very easy. You have to match the pairs and don't forget to click photograph of that and send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay. So I am waiting for your answers. Just want to take your leave now. Bye for now. Bye bye.